You have made your 2026 resolutions, health, wealth, relationships, but you forgot the most important one, the one that determines if any of your other resolutions even matter. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres just gave us the reality check we need as we enter 2026. The world stands at a crossroads. More than a quarter of humanity now lives in conflict zones. 20 crore people need humanitarian aid. 12 crore forcibly displaced by war, disasters, and climate breakdown. And here's the part that should make you angry. Global military spending hit 2.7 lakh crore in 2025. That's 10% higher than last year. That's 13 times more than all global development aid. That's the entire GDP of Africa. Here's what breaks my heart about that 2.7 lakh crore. Less than 4% of it could end world hunger by 2030. Just over 10% could vaccinate every child on earth. 15% would cover all climate adaptation costs for developing countries. We are choosing bombs over bread, missiles over medicine, war over our planet. If we continue like this, military spending will hit 6.6 lakh crore by 2035. While the planet burns, while people starve, while your resolution for health and wealth become meaningless on a dying planet. Guterres said, on this new year, let's resolve to get our priorities straight. A safer world begins by investing more in fighting poverty and less in fighting wars. So here's the resolution you forgot. In 2026, I will make planet and people part of my priorities. Not just my personal health, the planet's health. Not just my wealth, redistributing resources for those who have nothing. Not just my peace, actual global peace. Your gym membership won't matter on a planet that's 3 degrees Celsius warmer. Your savings won't matter if climate disasters wipe them out. Your relationships won't matter if war and displacement tear communities apart. Guterres closed with choose people and planet over pain. Let's rise together for justice, for humanity, for peace. Comment one thing you will do in 2026 for the planet, not just yourself. Because our future depends on our collective courage to act. Happy New Year!